let us cover the basics first. Continue. What to do, okay? You should read these things, of course. How to submit a bug. They tell you how to write a bug. This is the same as bug finders, as UTest, as TesterWorks. There is no difference between these websites. Here the types of the bugs. You should read them, okay? So we have, for example, a functional bug, a content bug, a visual bug, and a usability suggestion. You should study the 4 of them. Let's continue. The bug title, this is the way that you write a bug title. He says this is a bad bug title, but this is a good bug title. Continue. The steps, like we said, the first step is to open the URL, then you write all the steps to reproduce this bug. Then the results, we have the expected and the actual result. So this is an example of a bad expected result. I expect the button to work, or the button doesn't work. This is a bad actual and expected result. The good way to write them is like this. Expected result, for example, the user is redirected to sign up form for similar. The actual result, error 501 message is displayed. The user cannot proceed. Also, it is possible to become a tester by following the link, okay? Try to provide as much information as possible. Let's continue. Evidence and bug attachment. Of course, you should add a screenshot, okay? And this screenshot should be a full screen. And like you see, you should add a square, a red square around the problem in the bug. Now you can submit the bug, okay? Let's see the quiz. Here, for example, in the steps to reproduce section of a bug report, what information do you need to include? We have 2 answers. You should add, of course, the website URL. You should add the URL where the issue occurs. These are part of the steps to reproduce. How much detail should you include in your bug report? As short as possible so it is easy to read? No, it should be easy to read and it should be short, but also you should provide all the important information. As much as possible about all details. This is correct, okay? You just need a few steps. The result is more important. As detailed as necessary and as short as possible. I think this is a good answer. Your bug report should be detailed and also short. Which would be a good bug title? Registration is not possible if you can't click the button. Registration is not possible. Finalize button is not working. Button doesn't work, doesn't matter how often you click it. Here there is a grammatical mistake and he doesn't tell me which button is it. Registration is not possible. So the best title is this. Registration is not possible. Finalize button is not working, okay? You have made it halfway through the quiz. Congratulations. Which bug type would you suggest for the following bug? On an e-commerce website, the picture of the product is missing on the product detail page. So this is a functional bug, a visual bug, a content bug, not a bug usability suggestion. So we have some content, the picture of the product is missing. You should review these types. Let's see the content bug, for example. So these are examples of content bug. Let's see here he says missing content, okay, missing text. So we have a missing content. So we say here this is a content bug. This one, in a fitness app, 2 buttons overlap slightly but are both clickable. So this would be a visual bug, I think. Of course, you should review the bug types. What are functional bugs about? Functions that should be added, functions that should be improved, function which is present but broken. Okay, the functional bug is a function that is present but broken. When do you need to attach a video screenshot to your bug? Of course, if we have a lot of steps in our bug, if you need more than one step to describe the issue. Which of these screenshots meets our quality standards? We said we should have a full screenshot with a red square like this. What's my score? Let's see. Okay, I scored 6 out of 9. I don't know what are the wrong answers. I think if we review the types of bugs and solve the quiz patiently, the score will be better than this. Of course, you should not repeat what I did, okay? You should solve this quiz on your own while studying for it. Okay, I'm just showing you how to register on the website. But we passed because he needs you, I think, to pass with more than 50% or something like this. Now he needs 3 bug reports. You need to report 3 bugs. Okay, so let's go to the project. Here, this is our project. Of course, it lasts for only 1 hour and a half. The bug types low, high, and critical. The devices, all these devices are available. Okay, he says, will you test or not? Okay, I will test, yes. Then this is our project. He needs me to find 3 defects. We have first some known bugs. The known bugs are the bugs that you should not submit. Okay, if you submit this bug, it will not be accepted. Okay, this is the bugs that he is going to log in with Google account. Let's return. Of course, you should read the goal of the test. You read the in scope and the out of scope, the restrictions and all these things. And these are some features that he needs you to test. Let's see. For example, the landing page. These are some user stories. As a customer, I can do something and so on. For example, here, the categories. As a customer or user, I can click or tap on the image of the category label. So here I go. Where is the category? These are the categories. Can I click on it? Yes. So this user story is done. Now at B and H, okay, so I can click on the image or add it to the cart. Then I can click on show more. Okay, so let's see. Let's click on this. Okay, for example, add to cart. Okay, this is my cart. You should go through the website and try to find 3 defects only. I don't think this is a hard thing because they don't need critical bugs. Okay, guys, they just need any types of bugs. I think this is a bug that I found. I write something in my native language, Arabic. You see, he says that there are no results for this word 71b. I didn't try this because the website does not understand Arabic. Okay, this may be a bug or the website doesn't have Arabic language in scope, of course. So try to find 3 bugs and send them to them. I hope that you pass this quiz and see you in the next video. If you have any question, just send me a message.